Well, baseball season is upon us, and if you were like me and do not live somewhere where your kid can just hit the ball around, an actual baseball around without breaking anything, you might need to get these. These are the Anywhere balls. I found these on Amazon. They are the size of a normal baseball. Let's see, there's a normal baseball. So they're the exact same size. It does not have any, like, these are not threads, they're just painted on there, but they're squishy like that, so they're not going to hit anything. You can throw these at your house, at your walls. They can be hit at your windows or walls and they will not break anything. But you can actually throw these, which I like. We had some balls that were kind of plastic, but they had holes through them, like wiffle balls, like actual wiffle balls, and I couldn't actually throw them very far. But these guys will actually throw pretty well because they'll go straight. So if you're trying to learn how to hit, just teaching your kid how to hit, you don't want them to be curving all over the place. These things actually work really well. We got 12 of them. That's what the box came with. They just came like a normal flat box. But they are very squishy and like they don't really bounce all that far. And they don't travel very well. So, which is good because you don't have to go track these things down. They might fly maybe 50 foot, maybe. But they work really well. So if you're looking for something where your kid actually wants to swing his actual bat, and not hurt anything, I'd go check these guys out because they're pretty cool. So that's all I got.